Hello everyone, I'm back again with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the blog single page. And here we have the author and the blog title with categories and text of I will be using the text of this blog. And then maybe instead of it trending articles, we could say okay, related post or whatever, or the most recent. I don't know, but for now let's go ahead and try to do these things. Okay, so here you go. We have the blog pages, and I have set up for just testing. Here we go. We have the blog pages, and if I have a route here, blog, and then we have the slug here, and I have just created a blog single. Now let's go ahead and create a controller and return data. So public function request the blog single. Here we will be using the slug we take from the route. Let's take this log here now. And if you are new to my channel, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment your valuable feedback. And if you ever face any problems, you can simply post your question in our group, and I will gladly try to help you as quickly as I can. Okay. So here we are returning. We don't need an order by ID, and we just need a where condition here, where slug, and we know, we took the slug as a unique parameter, so it's unique, and we need category, of course, and we need tag of this post as well, and the user, and we don't need a post excerpt, and we don't need the slug of this post as well. We need user ID, otherwise we will not be able to retrieve the user relationships. And we need to get the actual post, and I will ignore the timing for the time being. Perfect, so we have some data to show now. Now let's see if this works. We will simply return from here on. Okay, so let's refresh this page and click here. We don't have any HTML page, so it's 404 error. Here we go, we have the title, feature image, and we have the post here. That's perfect. Now let's create a view and return this data. So return view, we will return as blog single, and the data we will send is okay. We will we will have a problem which is like well, every time we have to, I'm sorry for this I'm, I'm really sorry for the stupid sound, really sorry. Let's go ahead. So one of the problem we will be facing is that since this is the menu section, and every time we are loading, so we will have to keep using this one, but definitely this is not the best way of returning something, right? So what I will be doing is that I will make a common file that will return only the categories in the next video for sure. So for now, let's go ahead with the categories so that I can use them in menu, but definitely that is a very bad way to retrieve your menu items every time with the controller. So I will definitely change that for sure, but for now let's go ahead and use this width, and it should be a single blog, so not blogs. Okay, so here we go, we have returned this view, and let's check out if we have any error for here. Unexpected. Okay, I have an error here, so that's it. Now let's create a view blade file here. Perfect. So what do we have to take from here is that all we need to take is just the top part, nothing above. So what is the top part? After the header, we have the blog banner, and then body. So body will be something coming from the blog post, the post itself. So let's go ahead and try to import the layout here. Okay, perfect. And all we need is to end this section here at the end. So it's pretty much copy paste. Perfect. Now here we have the blog here, blog controller. We have the blog here, and we should not use get. We should use first here because we're getting only one item. So it should be first, and then here we have the title. So let's pass the title here, blog, and we can access it just like it is. Perfect. Perfect. Now here we will, sorry again, we should do the post here. We should pin the blog post here. Should be fine now. Let's check it out now. We have a post here. Okay, this is working. Query is being running. So what I have to do is, okay, I missed one here. It should print. I'm really sorry. It should be saying blog.post here. Now this is how you print the original HTML. I'm really confused at the moment. Blog post. Let's see if I have any syntax. Blade guest if include inject. Loop first, loop last, PHP. I really forgot. Need to search. Blade. What does it call? Blade. Print HTML maybe. So this is, oh, okay, I'm really sorry, it's double quote. So single and then double. I'm really not used to coding just coding like this. I always use JavaScript. Perfect. Here we go. We have the content here, but we definitely have missed something, and that is the body. Yes, so we need to take the body for a certain section. So before we print here, let's take the body from here, and this is blog post, and we can remove everything under this this div, because that is what we generated from our editor. If you have not watched my admin section, so please go ahead and watch all my tutorial there. Okay, if I do a refresh, what do I get? Perfect. So this is what I get, which seems to be perfect. Cool, we have it. So now here inside this div, we should be printing our blog items here. So the blog post goes inside here. Perfect. So the blog post is here. What did I miss now? Yep, we have missed this comment section. Maybe. So I need to go back and take this code and paste it here. Now let's check. Perfect. I think we have a space in here. Let's see if we do have, yeah, we do have a space. Understanding the basics. And understanding the basic, we don't need this actually. It was for a different purpose, I think. Perfect. So let's remove. We have the comment. And I will definitely remove this section. And I think I'm missing one thing here. This image. So view image source. Let's check out what CSS code this user is using. The banner, where do I have a banner? Header. Do I have a banner here at the top? I think I didn't copy that. Yep, I think I didn't copy that at the top. So it should come here, the banner. Okay, now it looks good. Never mind if the banner doesn't look good. For the time being, let's change its color to my favorite color. Okay, not bad. Let's skip this. Let's. In main.css, we have it. So this is one thing. If you do some changes in your CSS, let's say this is another basic you should know, that if we change this one, it will not be affected simply because we are not running the project and it will not be compiled. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead in your project, and let's say I come into my project and I have to run the npm run watch or npm run dev or npm production. Okay, so what it will do is it will take all the CSS from different files that is defined in webpack mix.json file, and then it will compile to the new all.css file where we're referring. Okay, so it will work now. Okay, I hope you understood the point. But let's see, what did we use here? So we used a background image here. So since I have a plan to make this as a dynamic, so what I will be doing is I will be adding this style directly in the web page, in the blade. So let's take this picture for the time being. View page server view. Okay, how do I take this image? Open in a new tab, and what I will be doing is I will be saving it banner, banner.jpg, and I will come here, public, and new folder, image, and I will paste it here. So in the project now I will go here, and I don't have to define anything except go to the image folder and then banner.jpg. So what it will do is it will start from the public. I hope it's not getting. So let's check out the URL. It's getting http localhost image blog details, this one. So it should go to the public folder. Public image banner.jpg. What's wrong here now? Let's try to access the image. full stack front public image img I must have misspelled it. Okay, I somehow misspelled it. Okay, it's getting shown here and here, but not in the style. Why? Obviously that is not going to work because it will append block in the URL. So what I have to do is I have to start from here. Here we go. Image. This image are not defined. And let's check the image sections now. Here we go. So that means my image is being loaded, is already loaded. You can see, but background URL no repeat center. Why it's not visible then? Can you guys come up? Okay, if I come here, it says background. Okay guys, I don't really know what's going here. Let's forget it. I will try to fix that and let you know how I did it after the video ends. Okay, let's not waste time anymore here. Okay, so here what I have to do is I have to print, and I will not care about the date because I yet to need to figure out what date format I should show, whether it is an ego time or something different. And we'll check what other people does in their real world blog. So here what I have to do is blog.title, and this is it. I think I missed one more section here, which is yep, this is okay, that's not the blog.title, that is that's actually categories. So what I have to do is I have to loop, let's say, at if directive. So I can say b if directive, and I can say if blog.cat, and you know what, I should do a count here. If count blog.cat is greater than 0, then do the looping. So blade.forEach, and the collection is blog, and inside blog we have to go to the category. So you have to go to the category, and then we can get the category from here, and obviously we will be printing all the categories that we have. And I will change the design for sure because this design for the category I don't really like. C.category name. Perfect. Now Here we have the post, and I'm missing something definitely here. Let's check out what did I miss. Yes, so I missed the author section, a blog post. Inside this blog post we have title here, h1, and then okay, inside this blog post we have this section first, and this says we have to have a blog title here, and this should be in the blog title should be in h1 tag. That is what I was saying, because it's a blog, so it should be that way. And for the author, we could have author, let's say, for now let's use banner.php, this banner as the author image. So image and banner.jpg, and here for now it's static because it will be added from the admin panel. So I will add that header there, blog.user.full name. That's perfect. And what it is, let me go ahead and check. Okay, this is some of their information, so let's keep it here for the time being. We might require it. B is undefined, so why I am very much obsessed with using B, that's not good. Let's refresh. Where else I'm using B now? Okay, B is blade online 30. Okay, I did change that. I saved it and refreshing it. Okay, cool. It started looking to be a little more like we have in the design, and obviously we're going to have comment, reply, likes, replies, and we will have email interaction here. But before we go here, we will finish all the normal blog stuff here. So let's go ahead in the popular blog text. So here, instead of popular text, we can just say tags, and instead of stuffing all the tags here, let's just use the tags just like how we are used to. So blade if, and then we can say blog dot, sorry, I forgot to do the counting. Count is greater than, always try to do these things before you loop through for each. And then we can say go to the blog, then tag, and loop through all of the tag you have, and that should say t dot tag name. Obviously it looks more like a normal, you see, perfect. So in the next video we will be developing another section that says that brings in all the blogs, and then that says all the blog based on the category and based on the tags you select. Okay, so that will have a lot of progress. And then here what we can do here is that we could finish this section as well with I'm not sure what to do here. Okay, I will keep it for now and think what is the best thing to keep here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and if you like, please go ahead, subscribe, comment your valuable feedback, and let me know how you think and how I can improve. So I have two more series in my plan. Let's see how quickly I can finish this, or if I can start in parallel. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay with us.